What's going on, YouTube? We're back vlogging.
What up, B?
We're going off-roading in the V6.
We're gonna go off-roading in the.
Introduce the man Eddie. Eddie hasn't been introduced to the YouTube channel.
And Daddy Sean. Oh, and Alex. And supposedly he goes by horse.
Oh yeah, look. Wait, show him the boat. Wait, show him the boat.
So this is what's separating this beast between us. I had to go use the bathroom, right? So he said, "Oh, just be by this beast."
I'm ready.
Right next to this vicious dog. Yo, should I get close to it? To YouTube?
I mean, if you want your neck big.
Hell nah, I'm gonna get decapitated.
Hell no, dog.
So we're gonna go off-roading.
Alright guys, we got everybody here at the compound. Got the Camaro, we got Rusty, we got the Corvette back there. We got Kenny 5-0, we got Apollo.
Hey guys, it's my favorite car brand.
What is that?
It came with the car, and I went on eBay and I bought the GT one.
It looks plastic. I think it's plastic. This might be.
We got the whole squad right now. Got the Infinity in the front. Yo, what the f is it open? Yo, jump off.
Ella me pegó para atrás, para toda la pesta pinga que tengo. Ella me pegó para atrás.
What do I do?
Harlan doesn't know how to fish.
Like this or the other way? Just go like this?
Really?
Go. Oh, it's a corner. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Pike, dude.
First fish.
Is it like this or the other way?
The other way.
What is it? It's a pike. It's a pike.
Caught a pretty nice fish. It's like at least a foot and like.
Yeah, look at my pinga caballo.
Yo.
Watch out for alligators right here, bro.
You gotta whisper when you're fishing. You gotta whisper because they run away.
They can feel the vibration.
All right, so we're here at the spot. We're fishing. We gotta whisper right now because
we saw a shark on the way over here.
We can sue Alex. Like if he bites off our leg and we'll buy ourselves a 5-0. Similar for a car.
no. What if it doesn't start?
That's it. We're done. That's why you need a Honda Fit.
Oh, it died. No way. No way.
You shouldn't have turned it off. What the fuck?
Hey, turn it on.
Put it in drive quick. Put it in drive quick. Oh, I know exactly what it is. I think it's the air filter.
I got what?
But it came off. This is what happens when you know about a Honda Civic. Ford found on road dead. Sergio, bro, what the fuck is he doing?
Alright, so we're fishing with the boys. Yo, just throw it right here.
This water looks like my jizz. Live bait that's not live, but his live bait is good to fish.
Open the window a little bit. We can hear everybody.
Yo, did Sergio fit here with you?
Yo, Sergio, what's in the front?
What?
You want us in the front with Eddie?
Nah, I'm fine. Dale. Dale, toma mi gente cubana, cojones. Oh,
So we're having a misfire right now. I think there's water in the intake.
Yeah, great. Yeah, it's definitely water.
Your car. I'm a crowd killer, baby. Right there, you got my 5.0 Shelby supercharged with a Miami-Dade County Public Schools laptop. Over here, I got my Ocean Drive view.
All right, so this is the 1 bedroom, 1 bath.
1 bedroom, 1 bath, $1,000 apartment. Right there's my bed, right there's my chair, my gaming setup, my PC setup. And over here's my backyard, right here's my pool. I call it La Islita. Keep my straight pipe kayak back there. Fucking you can see the beach! What the fuck? This shit is, I understand why we call it figuring out.
There's a
Oh my god. It smells like cigarettes. Why the fuck are we stuck?
Alright guys, so we figured out what was wrong with the truck. It's something with the mass airflow sensor. And we're hoping that it wasn't the water that got into there, because if it is, then we got a big problem. So the intake is kind of dry right now. There's a little bit of water in the intake right there, so. Alright, so we got Kenny right here, the barber. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Looks pretty good. We're in the process. I'm gonna leave his head like this. Yo, chill. I'm gonna buy myself a Viper. And he's gonna buy me one.
And I'll buy him one. I'm a god with it when he has a Supra. He thinks he's slick putting that Dodge Neon.
Alright, so in this portion of the video, I'm gonna be adding a quart of oil to my car, because when I was doing the oil change, I bought 5 quarts instead of 6. So I gotta add a little bit more. And I went to the store today, and look what the f happened. Some motherfucker backed up into my shit. Like, how does this happen, dude? Look at this. Look at this. Literally just got this like 2 months ago, brand new. Had redone my bumper like 2 months ago because of the paint was chipping, and he hit my headlight. It messed up my headlight tint. Man, like, I don't understand how people do this, but you gotta just whatever, man, push through it. I don't know, can't really do anything about it. I don't have a dash cam, and I was literally parked by myself, so I don't know how the f this shit happens. So we're gonna be adding a quart of royal purple, and then we're gonna wash the car. I haven't washed it in 2 months, and I bought some products right here, and then this right here to make her shine a little bit. So all right, now we're at the segment where we're gonna be washing the cars, so let's get this started. We got Sergio here driving a manual Jeep.
Please forget the e-brake, bro.
Oh, that was close.
Oh,
he stalled it! Ah!
33 and 32, this shit go crazy. Might shave my head like Britney. Might go insane, but I broke my brain if I got this fame too quickly.
Progress.